In the next 4.5 minutes, I am going to introduce a new perspective on the systems development lifecycle necessary to driving digital transformation within your organization. Hi, I'm Hadley Withington with Exceller, an elite ServiceNow partner. Whether your organization is using traditional waterfall, agile scrum, or some hybrid methodology, today's SDLCs are insufficient to drive digital transformation because they assume the users have already conducted the transformational discovery and design necessary to initiate that change. Unfortunately, this is never the case. Business sponsors do not know what new technologies, platform as a service, AI to name two, are capable of until they see the impact the new technologies can have on services and process design. Equally, technologists don't understand all the intricacies of the business need, and therefore typically take a passive order-taking posture, resulting in projects that automate existing processes rather than re-engineering and transforming them. Exceller's Prescriptive Design SDLC incorporates an iterative, transformational discovery and design process necessary for digital transformation, using a well-structured collaborative approach between the business and the technologist. Prescriptive design takes a more assertive approach within the SDLC, replacing passive order-taking by demonstrating how emerging technologies enable the design of new digital business models. The results will amaze you. In the next several slides, we are going to briefly explore 4 of the 10 steps within prescriptive design using a recent engagement with Massachusetts Department of Transportation Crash Platform as a Service, or CPaaS, as a case study. First and foremost, we start by asking our clients to inventory all the stakeholders that interact with the business processes in question. All processes have inputs and outputs that are supplied or consumed by other entities. These include machine as well as human interaction. In the Massachusetts Crash case study, police, roadway engineers, TRCC members, and others rely upon the crash data cleansed and compiled within the system. For the sake of brevity, we consider those stakeholders as customers. Identifying the customers of the business processes provides a natural segue into identifying the services those customers consume. Listing those services in a catalog encourages the discovery of additional metadata, such as who initiates the services, how do they initiate the services, what high-level process is needed to convert that input to an output, the consumer of that output, and then finally what channels and customer journeys those services are delivered through. Once the high-level processes are defined, Exceller's design engineers are able to quickly configure and demonstrate new, innovative ways in which technology could be applied to the processes, initiating a rich exchange of transformational dialogue between the business and their technology counterparts. Those new processes and supporting technology are then cataloged and mapped into an enterprise process model, or EPM. This is a conceptual model of the organization, much like an org chart. However, rather than modeling the organizational structure, the EPM represents the organization's raison d'etre, illuminating the processes which deliver value and services to the customer. The chevrons at the top, representing the major high-level processes, are families with the supporting processes listed under each. This process view of the enterprise can then be used to identify where the organization must focus its energy by creating a heat map of effectiveness and efficiency. These 3 steps are used iteratively, mapping new technology to processes and processes to services, all of which are recorded within the service catalog. This deliberate prescriptive design SDLC provides the backdrop necessary to initiate and transform the organization through the application of new, innovative technologies such as AI, big data, cloud computing, and IoT. If you would like to learn more about Exceller's Prescriptive Design SDLC and CPaaS, please reach out to us via the link in the description below, or reach out to us directly at exceller.com. Thank you.